Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this gorgeous Volvo XC60 2-litre D4 Momentum all-wheel drive. Now this vehicle has currently done 37,151 miles and it's finished in the colour bright silver. Now this is a very stylish and practical looking SUV. It comes with some fantastic features. It does sit nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with excellent visibility. To the rear you have the powered tailgate which can be opened and closed at just the push of a button. In the boot you will find 505 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,432 litres with the rear seats down. You do have the optional extra retractable tow bar. You can push it to release it and pop it into place. You can also push the button to then close it. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have the gorgeous full leather interior. It does feature ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. The interior does feel very premium and high quality. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. On the steering wheel to the left you'll find your cruise control and speed limiter. To the right you have controls for your infotainment system as well as the display in the instrument cluster. You do have a full digital display here in the instrument cluster which includes your dials and gauges. You can also access different trip information as well as access to your media, phone menu when you have your phone connected and navigation. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. Now the system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music through USB and Bluetooth connectivity. There's access to different applications. You also have Bluetooth telephone connectivity, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while behind the wheel. You do have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. It also shows the map on your display in the instrument cluster, which is handy when you are following guidance. To the right of your main menu, you have all of your car functions where you can access your lane keeping aid, adjustments for your front and rear parking sensors as well. On the system, you also have your dual zone automatic climate control with all your adjustments made here on the screen. There's also heated front seats to keep you nice and warm. This Volvo comes with front and rear parking sensors to make parking much easier. Below your display you have some physical controls for the infotainment system, and in the center console you have your 6-speed manual gear selector and electronic handbrake.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.